My name is Mary Daugherty, and I grew up in Coshocton County, and I live now in a little rural town named Plainfield. It was just too much for me to keep up with the children at my work. I could not keep up with it. At home, I actually was falling some. It would give on me at times. Steps were impossible for me to do. I just couldn't do the steps at all. And up and down, even getting in and out of bed, up and down, especially out of chairs. Gardening is my number one thing that I like to do when I am not working, and I could not do that at all. I couldn't even ride my lawnmower or anything to push the pedal or anything. Difficulty even driving a car. I just could not do it. So I knew I had to have the knee surgery done. He explained to me, he said, I have this new procedure I'm excited to tell you about. I think you'd be a good candidate. And I said, okay, tell me about it. And he told me exactly about the less pain, less time of recovery we would be having with it. And I said, sign me up right now for it. I'm ready. My recovery was so much quicker. I was just amazed, even when I got up out of the hospital bed. I could walk right down that hall, right back. I could go straight home. I was so excited. I had home health come in, and they were amazed about how great I could bend my knees, the motion and range I had. It was just wonderful. I'm able to do my gardening, walking up my hill to the rhubarb patch. I can take walks with my grandson. I could go to his ball games. I could go back to work now. I'm back working with my preschoolers, keeping me up with them. And I can drive. That's a big thing. Yay, driving. Dr. Jackson will put you at ease. He'll explain every step that you need to know, and your recovery will be so fast and so quick, and you'll be very, very pleased that you did it.